Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 LDV V80 short wheelbase low roof van, stock reference number 5241. This shape runs from the first month 2013 and is the current shape. It has an SC25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. SC25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left hand fog light, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left hand tail light. Tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Left hand barn door tailgate. One small dent and damage on the inside. Right hand barn door tailgate. 4 small dents and also small dents on the inside. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right sliding door, 2 small dents. Right front door has a light fold on the front edge. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Seats do need cleaning. Auto shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, instrument cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.